Hello, my name is Ina. I am originally from Germany, but I have been living in Hawaii for the last 6 years. I'm a self-employed journalist, and in the last 3 years now I have created one of the largest travel guide websites for Hawaii. When I heard about the job you're offering on Hamilton Island, I thought this is exactly what I would like to do, to live on another island, to explore it and to write about it. I know many people have already applied for this job now. Just like them, I would like to be the one who gets the job, but in addition, I have the necessary experience to build such a website. I know a lot about search engine optimization, website design and writing for the internet. My website, for example, had only 10 visitors per day in the beginning, but now it has more than 2,500 visitors per day. The website is called tohawaii.com, in case you want to have a look. So I'd love to do this project on Hamilton Island. It would be a great new adventure.